Hello there beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Chris aka the IT guy, back with another video. It's a great privilege to have you here again on my YouTube channel. The reason I made this video is to celebrate 5,000 subscribers. The journey of YouTube is kind of frustrating and so disappointing when you try to make videos and they die on the internet without anyone watching them while you invested so much effort, time and money to make them. Not only that, but as we are trying to bring something useful to the market, there will be a rise of so-called wise guys. They think they got everything with no mistakes. They judge how we speak, the accent, the color of the skin, and other shitty excuses to bring you down and hate your videos for no goddamn reasons. It's hard. They don't even take a second or a minute to listen to what you want to share with them. They are always judging and hating your content. At first, it's so discouraging and so hurting. I know you can relate. We passed through that. And now we are beyond that, and they can't control us by hurting our emotions. The thing that we are focusing on right now is to bring something useful to the people who value our content and who find them useful. That's why I take this time and thank all my trustworthy subscribers, as now we are 5k subs. I know we can be beyond that when we came on the internet to dance, to make comedy content, to make sexual content, or whatsoever beyond education. Some people advised us to change the content to what is trending to make more money, but the money was not what at stake. That's why we never took that advice either. Day by day, we never stopped with sharing our experience, especially in IT career like networking, programming, IT support, and many other things that related to the IT career. During this journey of YouTube, we were able to get partnership from foreign companies like Wondershare, like Tenorshare, and Minito. Fun fact, we didn't get any offer from local companies, which is a shame and a great sign that they don't validate what we do. They want us to dance, to do all other kind of stuff that they can support, but they don't support education at all. It's okay, time will tell. I would like to thank the Hanu Media team, including the production team and support team. I can list all the names, but there are a lot of them, so wherever you are, know that you are on the herb. I want to assure you that we never stop giving you the cool content like we used to do, no matter what. We will try to push and push until we get there. Together we can achieve more. Stay cool and be alerted for the coming contents. Ciao.